We're in Morocco!
This is what I thought the road was originally, but I didn't expect to go on such gravel, uphill with loose rocks. There's like a very, very fine gravel, and it's from experience. It's not the best riding conditions because you think it's hard packed asphalt, and then you sort of go around the corner and then you slide out a little bit. So it's a bit misleading, but it's all experience, so I'll take it. Build up my confidence, and then I don't have to tiptoe through Morocco. Hey guys, it really helps me out if you can share the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for new content. So we're about an hour from the destination for today, in the heart of the GORAFE Desert. We're going to set up camp and then we're going to go do a little bit of exploring. On my experience and what it looks like, it might be a bit challenging. How cool are these conifers? Amazing. At the Campe Funita della Pascula. I think that's the reception in there. Got a swimming pool over there, doesn't look so well used. Probably 30 odd degrees, and he said just pick a spot anywhere you like, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. Thanks for joining me again, and see you next time.